Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the wallpaper material and cutting power to nearby outlets. This prevents accidents and lets you safely work. Mix a removal solution or use hot water in a spray bottle and score a discrete area to see how the paper peels. Start at a seam near a corner, lift gently with a scraper, and spray behind loosened edges so the adhesive softens. Once the paste breaks down, continue methodically across the panel so you don't tear layers. Once you hit a stubborn section, slow down and rehydrate the adhesive. This is why working in 3 to 4 foot sections matters, because you can keep each area consistently wet. If water alone fails, use a wallpaper steamer or a commercial remover applied per instructions, because heat breaks paste bonds. Scrape with a low-angle blade to avoid gouging drywall, and alternate spraying and scraping until the paper and backing come away cleanly, making sure to discard removed material as you go. Finish by removing paste residue with diluted sugar soap or TSB so that primers adhere properly. Once dry, inspect walls for gouges and fill with joint compound, then sand smooth. Prime the entire wall with a stain-blocking primer before repainting or applying new wall covering, because leftover adhesive or moisture ruins finishes. If paint or paper lifts later, check for residual adhesive or moisture. Reclean the area, allow full drying time, and reprime to prevent future failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.